Hello everyone, it's been a little while since I made a video, and yeah, I've just been taking care of business. And today I listed my motorcycle a couple weeks ago. I've had this motorcycle for 26 years, but I don't ride it anymore, and there's so many people out there texting and driving, just time. So I put it up for sale right before summer, and I got someone coming to look at it today. I think he'll buy it, we'll see. But regardless, I'm gonna give you a little update. I'm downsizing. I had a lot of great times with this bike. It's been good to me, but it's time for her to get a new owner that's gonna appreciate her and ride her more than I do. It's been on up. I haven't registered since 2019 because I just don't ride it anymore. So, yeah. Well, she's sold. Sounds good. Thanks, brother. Stay safe. Enjoy. Hey, you got a full tank of gas.
Okay.
So you're good to go. I think she gets about 40 miles to the gallon.
Right. All right, brother.
All right. There she goes. Take care. Thank you. Bittersweet to see my motorcycle right away, but now it is what it is. I've been downsizing, like I said, and have new things to do. I've been spend more time in Costa Rica, and I have a condominium I have to pay for. So I want to wish the new owner all the best, safe travels, and enjoy.